Dan Swede here with Hydrochem System. This is actually Tim Brock's sale. It's for Aqua Environmental Power Washing. aepowerwashing.com. This is our low profile, open top, semi-enclosed trailer. Got a concession stand door so on the front with a mesh so you can access the equipment. Start the engine, close it down, and drive it around. It's obviously extremely low profile, so it can handle power washing parking garages, drive-throughs, extremely custom built, well stable, double doors on the side, front door on the front, double doors on the rear of the trailer. Like I said, open top and up top. 3,500 9-gallon hot water machine. Vacuum recovery system ported so it can actually vacuum wastewater either from the side of the trailer, curbside, or the back. 4 electric powered hose reel. This is also coming with our 48-inch high-speed surface cleaner and a 30-inch vacuum recovery surface cleaner. This would also vacuum out wastewater up to 100 feet away, filter it down to 5 micron, and be able to even reuse it. So we also offer graphics and sign wraps and give you a whole turnkey package. You also get hands-on training when you purchase the system from us at our facility at no extra charge, and a 200+ page contractor pricing and marketing guide. That's kind of the 48-inch surface cleaner. What's unique about ours is it'll fold in half. You have extra heavy-duty bearing assemblies on it, and that thing rolls. A 4-year-old can push that around. It's so easy to maneuver. Dual 270-gallon tanks could be run separately as one supply and one recovery, and we also have it as a tied together as a 540-gallon supply tank. Also got another Platinum Plus trash bin cleaning trailer there going together, and a bunch staged to go out the door back out here. So these, majority of these are already sold, waiting on graphics, finalizations, ship dates, etc. We still have a couple in inventory. We do have gold and platinum packages available. And see some more of our custom packages. Truck mounted units, we'll have another one going together shortly. Dan Swede, Hydrochem Systems. Once again, at Tim Brock, he handles East Coast, West Coast trailer there. Yeah, so we provide all that. We also do commercial fleet washing systems. We manufacture and build custom drive-through truck washes for tractor trailers and other fleet vehicles for municipality waste companies and over-the-road trucking companies, food distribution centers, etc. And we're also a chemical manufacturing facility here in our new 50,000 square foot facility. Again, get a hold of us. We can help you with all your cleaning needs.